Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your account and opening the highest yield sources, daily reward streaks, quests, and event tabs. Once done, prioritize short matches that award coins consistently and complete any available streak missions. Make sure to join public games where rewards scale with participation and accuracy. Host quick private games if you control pacing. You want steady coin inflows, so balance speed and accuracy. If an event appears, shift focus to it, because those yield bonus coins and multipliers faster than single-game grinding. Once you have momentum, double down on efficiency. Accuracy often matters more than sheer volume, so study frequently used question sets and practice in study mode to raise correct answer percentages. Make sure to rotate between event games and review sessions to capture varied reward structures. Events give bursts, reviews give steady returns. Use short, focused sessions to avoid mistakes. When you maintain a high hit rate, coin multipliers and streak bonuses compound, making each minute of play more profitable than grinding endlessly. To finish, claim every pending reward and apply any earn multipliers before starting the next run, because unclaimed bonuses waste potential gains. Once done, harvest high-reward events and convert short-term boosts into stable coin increases. If coins don't appear, make sure your internet is stable, relog, and clear cache. Sometimes server lag delays credits. If the problem persists, contact the game's support with screenshots. Do not use third-party hacks or tools, as those risk bans and loss of account progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.